Okay, so we created a company code, right? Company code, plan, purchasing organization, purchasing, right? So
Yes,
we
sir.
have, so let's try with the creation of the material. So you know material types how to create now. So
Yes,
we
sir.
already discussed that one. Okay, so you can try to create that. Okay, so now I will be create some material. Okay, so basic data. Generally, what information we require? General basic data, purchasing,
General plan,
accounting.
accounting one.
Yeah. So I'll be entering that my plan which I created. Now I'm creating the material. Okay. So yesterday we got a issue, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that we
Purchasing.
material ledger is activation. Okay. So for that what you need to do, you have to go to logistics. Okay, sorry. You have to go to uh, accounting and okay. So in the financial side, they have to be activate the material ledger. Okay. So controlling and product costing, actual costing, environment. So they have to be activate the material ledger activation, product setup. Here you have to be valuation area, set to valuation area has a product too. So we have to run that. So even we run this one yesterday, but we just selected text trend. Okay. So you have to be and select and you have to be enter plan. Then you just run this one. Then the material ledger is activated at your plant level. Okay. So then only you can able to create your material master record.
Okay.
Okay. We tried this one, but we are missing to remove this text run. That's why it is not working. Okay. Clear?
Clear.
So finish code. I'm just putting some data which is required. Okay. Mandatory fields I'm just filling. Okay. So you can see all the same fields. Okay. Whatever it is there in the ECC, they are same fields only. Okay. So here quota arrangement related checkbox is not appearing here. Okay. In the metal master record, ECC side, there is a checkbox is there. Okay. So if you go to MM03 here, okay, I'm just taking one material. Any of the
Material.
material, I'm go to purchasing data.
Purchasing.
So you can see here, 1000. Here you can see that there is some checkboxes, quota arrangement, usage. Okay, that field was not there in the S4HANA. Okay, you can observe here. Okay, quota arrangement usage is not there. Okay, after that, post inspection, critical source list, all it is there. Okay, there is no change. And you can see in the purchasing value key also it is the same. There is no change. Okay, and there is a disappearing that acknowledgement and unlimited checkbox are disappearing here. And you can also see here, okay, all the fields, whatever it is there in the ECC, you can see all these fields in the S4HANA also. Okay, clear? So there is no change. And just maintaining that required fields. Okay. So here, please assign the profit center. Profit center is mandatory. Yes, dropping there. Okay. So valuation classes, all it is the same. So what is the difference between the material ledger with material ledger without material ledger? What is the difference here? What is the difference between the material ledger and without material ledger? Hmm?
here
So
valuation.
with material ledger, okay, you can see that multiple currencies at one time. Okay, in metal master record, the value you can see in the multiple currencies. I'll show you that as well. Okay, so now I'm entering that valuation class. Not sure what valuation class it is.
So what is the purpose of profit center, sir?
Profit center I said no. So the where it will go, the accounting after you are getting profit and all, where it
Okay.
will go to financial profit center only, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Initially we discussed this one, no?
Okay.
Okay, so AC02, for AC02, what are the valuation classes are there? AC02. So AC02, there is a VC01, VC02. Okay, I'll just understand the VC01. Yeah, VC01.
It's not allowed material type.
Okay. So, okay, so now you can see here, okay, so the currencies here, each period level you can see, okay, here you can see that material ledger is activated here, okay. So if I entered it, this is what we entered here, the standard price or moving average price. Okay, so what is the standard? This is standard price. Okay, so if you want to be enter some value, you can enter. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, so the currency you can see here, company code currency is euro, so it is displaying in that currency. Okay, so
Okay.
now I'm saving this one. So this material was created now. Okay, this material was created. So I have created yesterday plant, right? In that plant only. So if you can see that
Yes.
material price analysis here, okay, you can see this material price analysis. So, okay, what is inventory and where the value was changed, where the stock was changed, all you can see here. Okay, with if there is any multiple currencies are there, multiple currencies also it will display. Okay, company code currency, different plant currencies and all it will display here. Okay, this is the one functionality which is like price analysis. Okay, and you can also see here future costing run and costing run also you can see here. So you can see here there is a currency issue. Okay, clear? So this is completely accounting related. We don't need to be worry about that. Okay, just there is a changes. If you see that in the ECC side, okay, if I go to ECC, if I go to accounting data, it is a plain. If you can see that only plant level, okay, it is a where it is. So this is also material ledger is activated here. Generally, if it is material ledger is not mandatory. Okay, in S4 HANA only it is mandatory. Okay, but in ECC side
Okay.
it is not mandatory. Okay, material ledger is not
Material
mandatory.
ledger.
So it is not necessary to activate the material ledger. Okay, if it is
Okay.
activated, then you can see the multiple currencies level, group currency, hard currency. Okay, if you maintain multiple currencies, you can see the values in the different currencies. Okay, if you see here euro
Okay.
and here is the USD. Okay, different levels. So that is the purpose of the material ledger. If you activate the material ledger, then you can see the multiple levels of currency level. You can see the data.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Okay. Okay. Clear.
Okay, now I have created this one, right? So 5001. Okay, so I can also create a BP. You already created BP, right? Yesterday. So we
Yes,
have
sir.
created 104. Okay, I'm can also create your own BP also. So by clicking on the person or how you
Person
want
or
to create.
organization.
Sorry, clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. So now I'll be create my new company code. I receive new company code, right? So what I'll do, I'll just create a new BP, business partner. Okay. So as a organization, I'll be create. Okay. And I'll be using my grouping, my own style of grouping, and okay, and the general data, business partner general data I'm creating. Okay, something like PP testing at TXT. Okay. So now I'll be entering that required information, whatever it is required, I will be entering all the information here. Okay. Okay. So now I just selected 000000. That means I'm creating only general data, just address data only updating. But
Okay.
I didn't decide that whether I want to be create as a customer, I want to be create as a vendor. I didn't decide that. So just I'm creating the BP. Okay. Clear?
Clear, sir.
So I'm just saving this one, BP. So now BP was 106 created. Okay. So 106 created, but that was not, okay, that was not extended to company code data or plant data. Clear? Okay. Now what I'll doing now, I'll be going again change. Okay. Then I'll be extended to FLV N00. Okay. First I'll go to company code data. So then I'll be entering the purchasing organization data. Okay. What is my purchase organization? ZTXT. Right? ZTXT. I'm just extending to that. So I'll be maintaining that our currency. So whatever it is there, I will be maintaining that currency. Okay. So you can maintain the Incoterms, partner functions, all these things you can enter. Okay. So there is a mandatory fields here. I'll just put some partner functions here. Okay. So partner functions vendor has not been created under, okay, 105 is not created under this one. I will be extended that first. 105. I'll be create first 105. Okay. Where it is coming, this is mandatory fields. Okay, the partners they are putting as a mandatory, that's why it is coming. Okay. So what we need to do in the configuration level, you have to be change the business partner role as a mandatory. Okay, that you can do, but I will try. I will try and I will save. But still, if you are getting error, okay, still you are getting error. The partner IDs are missing. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just change that setting. Okay, I'll just change the setting. So what is that OMSG and ZTXT, and I'll just remove this one, the partner function. So I will be go with that. Okay, so I'll just now I'll be creating back, and I'll create BP. So 106. Now I'm just extending to my purchasing organization. Sorry, I just need to be select. I'm just selecting that FLV and
00.
N00 or N01. Okay, purchase organization data. I'm just extending that. Okay, so that TXT I'm just extending. Okay. Okay, so I'm just maintaining the data. Okay, I'll just saving this one. Now it's not mandatory because I have removed now, so it is not asking any mandatory fields. Okay, so the partner functions I have removed. Okay, so this is the way we'll extend the purchasing data. Then I will be extending to accounting data also. I'll just be extended to accounting data company code txt.
Okay.
Okay, so you can enter the reconciliation account, all other fields, whatever is mandatory, you can enter and save. Clear?
Clear, sir.
So now this 106 was created. So I have the 101 is the vendor, and I have a material also which I created. Okay, I have created a material also.
Okay.
Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just trying to do. Okay, I'll just directly creating the PO. Let's try. Okay, so the TXT. Okay, and the purchasing groups we can XYZ or something which we have. So this is actually not coming. Okay, so 1 minute, I'm getting call.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm just taking the purchasing group because I'm not aware what purchasing groups are there. Okay, because it is not displaying in the F4 functionality. Okay, so I'll just take the existing one also, it will not come up. If it is F4 functionality, it is working on easy, but here it's not working. I'll just taking some ACS or something. Okay, just entering ACS. Okay, now, so what is the material number? If you remember that material number, MM60, if you created, create a 501 or something you created, 5001. Okay, 5001. Okay, and get TX1 and delivery date, price, all the information. So same, whatever you are creating, ECC level, how you are creating, the same you are also you have to create.
Okay.
Okay, clear?
Clear,
So
sir.
there is no change here. Okay, so there is no change here. Okay, so roll number purchase order still contained at plant it is not taking. Why plant is not taking? The TX1 is there, not there. Why? The TXT. What are the plans we created? Plus
DS.
same, right? We created
Yes, sir.
0 and W.
S1, just S2.
Just TX1 only we created, right? Why it
Yes.
is not taking? It is disappearing. Okay, let's try to create the PR. We'll see in PR if we are getting any problem. 5001. No?
Yes, sir. 501.
So the TX1.
S1.
What happened? Why it is not taking? Change. One which is not working. I can able to create a, okay, let me try to create a info record. Okay. Now 6 not created. Okay, I will create to do. I'm extending this to my other purchasing organization. TX1. Okay. So ME21 not 6. Then TX1. Yes. TXT. 5001. TX1.
It is one.
No, what's the problem here? It's not taking. No idea what's the problem. I can able to create info record. Can able to create info record, but I could not able to create a.
So this type of errors only we will get like a tickets.
Hmm?
This type of errors only we will get like a tickets.
It's like that only, but it is not error. Why it's not accepting, first of all.
Okay.
So this is, then I will not get this type of issues. It is a basic issue. Why the table name plant was not taken? So for plant only it is not taken. Okay, not sure. I'll go to ME31K contract. Let me try here if it is working or not working. So here it is taking plant automatically. Default it is taking. Okay. So here it is not. So the contract level there is no problem. What I'll do. I can able to create a contract, but I cannot able to create a PO. So this is a contract. So let me try with the contract in a PO. Can able to create or not? Let me try. Contract is not released. No, I'm just checking that why it is not coming. Okay, contracts and all we'll discuss later. Okay, don't worry. Just checking that not subject to release strategy. Then why it is not released? Why we need to release this? Now it is taking. See, now it is taking. With reference to contract, it is taking. But why it is not taking the manually when I'm creating? Okay, why it is not taking? So now I can able to create a purchase order. Okay, so let's try again manually. Why? It is not taking. Oh my God, what happened? Reference, reference. Hmm. Okay, so I don't know what's the problem. Okay, but I can able to create a purchase order with reference to contract.
Contract.
Okay, so been able to create a contract and the process was same. There is no change. Okay, it is something plant why it is not. I'll try to create with other one, other plant. Let's take one. So now it is the same. The process was same. Everything it is the same. Okay. So what is the difference here? In the S4HANA and ECC, what is the difference here? Okay, this is something accounting document related. Okay, once this is saved, okay, the table level database tables are different. In S4HANA ECC, there is a different tables are there. So in S4HANA MATDoc is there. This is the material document related. But if you want to go to ECC, okay, there will be a different tables like MSEC, MKPF, those are the different tables. So database
Okay.
level, there is the table difference is there. Okay,
Okay.
clear? The procedures, everything it will be the same. So where we are there, here. Okay, I'll just try to do the course 561 moment type. So since we are not configured completely, the accounting data, documents, everything, so the system is not accepting to post a GL accounts. Okay, so that's why it is giving error message. So we have to be set up to FI and MM integration. I'm just trying to enter here. If it is taking here, okay, here it is taking only PO and there only it is not taking.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the accounting related issue. Okay, now here it is taking the plant. Okay, let me try in the for RFQ. When RFQ we are getting a problem. Okay, that is in that line. So here also it is taking, if you can see that, we'll take 501 and you can see here the plans are coming here. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so only problem in the purchase requisition, purchase order. So not sure. I'll do one thing, I'll change the personal settings. Okay. So default values will be changed. It is not field. That plant I will just give. That plant I will give just TX1. Why it is not coming? Down also it is not coming. So there is something which is missing. It is not coming here. So we have to check in the, but how contracts are accepted? 3001W. 3001W is the plant. I can see here that TX1 is created or not. So the TX1 is created.
Created.
It is created and the purchasing organization was wrong. It is assigned wrong purchasing organization. So the enterprise structure, the plans, assignments, and investor project
Yes, sir.
TX1.
Yes, sir.
The TX1 is assigned correctly here. So this one we need to remove. This one and this one we have to remove. Okay. The TX1 is the purchase organization. The TX2. And the standard purchase organization also we need to check. So the TX1 is assigned to 0001. I'll change this one to my purchase organization. TX2. Okay, this is one assignment which is a standard purchase organization. Let me try now again.
Yes.
Look at this code later tell you something fishy. So when I just refresh this one, now here it is updated the TX1. So my oh, now it is coming. So the storage location on the plant, once you enter the board, it is taken, else it is not taken. Okay. So you can able to create a purchase order also. You can also create a purchase order.
Okay.
Now I have created a purchase order. Okay, so the same way, the procedure was same. Okay, you can create your own material and you can create all these things. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So if you want to be posted GR, what you need to do? You have to be correct that all the MMFI integration issues. Okay, because we have create our own plan. Okay, so when we are creating our own plan, so the GL accounts all we need to be assigned to the our plan. So or else it will give you a error message. So here it is coming account determination entry INTR WRX which is missing.
Not possible.
Okay, so for this again you have to go to OBYC FI MM integration and what is the error WRX. WRX we have to go to WRX here. WRX and what is the I'll just enter 01. I thought that it will be 01 only. Okay, INT. Okay, so valuation area, valuation modifier which is coming 191100. And now this is gone. Okay, so I have
Yes, sir.
mentioned that entry. This is gone. Okay, now I'll be posting that. Now again we will get one more error, which is like BS6.
BS6.
The GL account was not. I have to go to here BS6 again. So I have to map the BS6. So this is the FIMM integration. Okay, we'll
Okay.
discuss separately this topic. Okay, this is bigger topic. Okay, here what is you are getting blank BC03. So the valuation class is BC03. Then I will be assigning that my GL account. Any of GL account we can assign. It should be already created. Okay. So now I have assigned this one. Now check and post. Okay, now this is which is coming different one.
PRT.
So now so all these things are null. It is FIMM integration.
Okay.
So again PRT. Then you go to blank BC02. So I'll do maintain the
BC0.
the corners here. Okay. So then I'll be doing that. Check and post. Now it is posted. Now again we are getting some balance segment. Okay,
Segment.
related. Okay, so balancing field segment in the line item is not filled. So it might be on the enter something here. So there is no balancing field here. Okay, so something which is coming balancing field segment in the line item is not filled. So balancing field is mandatory field. I'll just put this is the not mandatory field. Outside heavy rain. So any time power cut will happen.
Field moments.
Okay, so okay, I'll just go back. Let's try. I'm changing field as mandatory. Now post segment. What is the segment? Balancing field. Huh? It's different. Huh? Where is the balancing field here? Oh, no. So we change this. This is a so when you are posting now, when you are checking if you are getting error, then it is a MM issue. If it is a click on post, then you are getting error, that is FA issue. Okay,
Okay.
just look at that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think it is getting some financial issue. Okay. So this is something different. Okay. We'll see tomorrow. It is already 10:10.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Then bye.